Okay, try to do this Venn diagram problem here. Suppose you have a packet of cards. We're going to pick out two cards at random. What is the probability that at least one of the two cards is a picture or a red, but not a diamond? Okay, so picture cards are these here, red cards are these here, and diamonds are these here. Okay, so we're going to pick out two cards at random. We require picture or red, but not diamond. So, for example, let's say you pick out this card here, and you pick out this one here. Okay, so let's see. We require so here we've just picked out the four of hearts. So we require it to be a picture or a red. Well, it's not a picture, but it is a red card. So this first part is good. Okay, and the second part we don't want it to be a diamond. Well, the four of hearts is not a diamond. So this is a good outcome so far for us. And then let's say the king of hearts. Well, we require it to be picture or red. Well, it happens to be both. So this here is good because all we require is picture or red. Well, it happens to be both. So or is this is good so far, but we don't want it to be a diamond. Well, it's not a diamond, so this here is a good outcome. Well, we only need at least one of the two cards, so this here would be a good outcome. Okay, let me give you another example here. Let's say we've picked out this one here. Okay, and then we're going to pick out this one here. Okay, so we require we require a picture or a red. Well, a picture or red. We require picture or red. Well, this card here, it's not a picture, but it is a red card. So this bit's good. But then the second part, we don't want it to be a diamond. Well, this here happens to be a diamond. So the second part is no good. So this card is no good. Let's have a look at this here. This one, well, we will require a picture card or a red card. Well, it's not a picture card, but it is a red card. So this first part is good. Well, then the second part, we don't want it to be a diamond. Well, it's not a diamond, it's a heart. So this card here is good. Even though this card is bad, this card is good. The overall outcome is good because we only need at least one card. Okay, at least one card. So let's say if you pick out this one here and this one here. Okay. Well, remember our first card we require a picture card or a red. Okay, a picture. Well, it is a red card. But then the second part is the second part is saying we can't have a diamond. Well, it's a diamond here, so this is no good. Okay, the first part we require picture or a red card. Well, this is neither a picture card or a red card, so already it's a bad outcome. So here is a bad outcome, and because we require at least one card satisfying this thing here, well, we've got two bad cards. So overall here, this would be a bad outcome. Okay, so we're going to pick out two cards. What is the probability that at least one card is a picture or red, but not a diamond? So here, to answer this question, you have to draw your Venn diagram. Remember, draw it like this. So this one here could represent, this here represents your, let's say, red here, and this here will represent your picture. And then you've got your diamond here, so this could represent your diamond. And don't forget, you've got some cards out here as well. And then once you've drawn your Venn diagram, because you're picking out two cards, you have to jump to the tree diagram to get a rough idea of what's going on. And remember, we need at least one card. Well, if this is good, bad, good, bad, well, good would be a good outcome. Good, bad would be a good outcome because we only need at least one card. So bad, good here would be a good outcome. bad would be a bad outcome. So because we need at least one card. Well, anyway, to answer this question, you have to draw your Venn diagram and combine it with the tree diagram in order to answer this question. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so try to draw your Venn diagram first. Well, I've done it in advance. So your Venn diagram should look like this. Okay, hang on. Your Venn diagram should look like this. So hang on, I'm going to move this down here. So if you look at this, red cards. Well, there are 26 red cards, and then well 6 or in well 6 are pictures. So you can see 20. Well, anyway, if you add up all these here, it will be 26 cards. Now, if you look at the picture cards, there are 12 picture cards. So picture cards here, there are 12 altogether, and 6 happens to be red, okay, and 3 happens to be diamond. So that's why they've, well, you if just have a go at drawing the Venn diagram. It should look like this, okay. Now, once you've got your Venn diagram, analyze the question. We need at least one card. Well, we need picture or red. Picture or red would be all these here, okay, but not diamond, not diamond. So you got to delete the diamond part. So diamond part would be these here, okay. So basically, all that you're interested in would be this, and this, because you don't want diamond, okay, not diamond. So now we are only interested in these 3 segments here, okay. So now you would jump to your tree diagram because you're picking out 2 cards. So let's say good, bad, good, bad, okay, good, bad. Now the probability of you picking a good card would be all these here. So that would be 19 over 52. 19 over 52. The probability of you picking another good card after picking out a good card would be 18 over 51. So your tree diagram would look something like this. Good, bad. Well, go bad down here would be, well, if this is 19, this one here would be 52 take away 19. So 52 here, take away 19. So 4, 1. So this would be 3. This would be 3. So here would be 33 over 52. Okay. Yep. Okay. So well, you try to construct your tree diagram here. So the probability of you picking out a good one after picking out a bad one would be 19 over 51. Okay. Well, after picking out a bad card, and the probability of you getting another bad card would be 32 out of 51. Okay. Now, after picking a good one, the probability of you picking a bad one would be 33 out of 51. Okay. Well, because the question is saying, will you at least one of the 2 cards? Okay, at least one. Well, at least one, meaning you only need one good. Well, good would be a good outcome. A good bad would be a good outcome because you only need at least one. Bad good, this here would be a good outcome. So bad would be a bad outcome. So basically, you need these 3 branches. Okay, rather than adding all these 3 branches, I'm just going to get one. Well, I'm just going to work at this. So probability of bad and bad would be 33 over 52 times 32 over 51. So rather than adding these 3 branches, I'm just going to get 1, take away this branch here. It's a lot quicker. So 1 take away this bad branch here. Okay. So jump to your calculator. Hang on, calculator, clear it. 33 times 32 equals this. 1056. over 52 times 51, clear it, 52 times 51 equals, equals, hang on, let me double check that. 52 times 51 equals 26, 50, hang on, 26, 52. 52. Remember, this here just represents this one branch here. So our overall answer would be one take away this thing here. Okay, would be would be 10, 5, 6, 2, 6, 5, 2. Let's work out this bit here. So let's convert that to a decimal. Clear it. 10, 56 divided by 26, 52 equals this. Equals 0.40 roughly. Okay. So basically this fraction here is this. What I'm trying to do here is, rather than adding 3 branches together, I'm just going to work out this branch here, which is this here, okay, and then just get one take away this branch here, which is what I'm doing. One take away this branch here, so it would be well, one take away that would be 0.60. So the overall answer is 0. So the overall answer is hang on, is 0.60. Okay, so if you were to hang on, 0.60. If you were to pick out 2 cards at random, the probability of you getting at least one being a picture or red but not a diamond is 0.60 or 60, roughly 60%. Okay.